Hello traders, this is your trader's friend. I'm just here to give you some general trading advice at the end of the week. Number one, keep a practice account. Anytime you get or hear of or learn of a new strategy, please practice that on your practice or your demo account. Learn to perfect that strategy first before you start investing your real capital in it. Just because a strategy works well for me doesn't mean it's going to work well for you. So what you want to do is practice it to make it work well for you. Also, stay out of range bound trading on a smaller time frame. And the reason for that is there's a time for the market to rest. When the market is resting, you need to rest with it. The market will let you know what decision it's going to make, but until it does, just take a break, get a rest, go make a sandwich, watch a movie, whatever you need to do. But when the market rests, you need to rest with it. Do not trade end of the day breakouts. They're killers. Also, if you trade on a larger time frame, use a smaller time frame for your entries. And this is the trade that you saw me in last night. So I want to, and this is the hourly chart. So if you're using the hourly chart to make your trades, you want to find your entries on a smaller time frame. And I am going to go to the 15-minute time chart because that would be the chart that I would use to do this. Now, this is the 15-minute time frame. Yesterday when I got into the market, I entered along in this area on my 15-minute time chart. However, my stop loss, I put it below the low of my reversal candle. So let's go back to where I was here. And this is where I actually placed my stop loss yesterday. So my stop loss would go under the low of my reversal candle. Then once price is moving where I want it to go, I look for an entry on the 15-minute time frame. Like I said yesterday when I got in the market, I already had these two signals, so I was really excited. And then I switched to my 15-minute time frame to look for an entry. Because notice what happened on your 15-minute time frame yesterday. I think that's the right one. Yes. You see you got that little bearish reversal. So you have to wait this action out. And that's about 45 minutes before price continues to go in the direction that you're hoping that it will go in. Keep in mind, if you do not get these confirmations, do not trade. Also, my last little piece of advice before I let you go for the weekend is stay out of late day trading on Friday. If it's coming to the end of the market, on Fridays you want to get in early, you want to get out early. A lot of the time what happens is if you get in end of the day, you end up stuck over the weekend. Don't stick yourself for the weekend. And sometimes, and I've seen it happen, sometimes at the end of the day Friday, bam, you get an explosion of price about 2 hours before the market closes or something. But for the most part, if you can make your money early on Friday, go ahead and do that. Have a terrific weekend. Thank you for joining me for another video. And remember to share something good that you have with the people around you. If you cannot share your money, share your prayers, share your time, share your love. Have a great weekend.